Today we're going to be showing you the Hot Wheels Snowstormers. So this car, see right here, this is the WTF buggy right there. This right here, if you can see it in the light, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, you see it right there I'm pointing at? It is the Loop Coupe. The next one is the Piled River, and the next one is Golden Arrow, and the next one is Dune Crusher. So let's get to opening. So let's see. I don't know how people open these cases, but I open them way different than them. I feel like I do. I don't know how people open these cases up, but still. Let's just open this thing up. I am a collector. I'll show you some of my packs. I'm not really that good collector. It's just how I open them. I don't know how about you, but here they are, all in the soft mochi. So the first one I said was the HWTF buggy. The wheels are smooth and it's really perfect. On carpet, it doesn't really move good, but the wheels are really smooth on the HWTF buggy. So right here, right there, right. You can't see that. Who cares? So that's the HWTF buggy. The next one is the Loop Coupe. It is green. The wheels, I don't know. They're way smoother than the WTF buggy. So I'm gonna say these are way smoother. You're lucky if you have the Loop Coupe. So now we have the Piled River right here. Right here, I mean. And so it is, I don't know, I'm gonna test out the Loop Coupe to it. This one goes like, it just goes way faster when you're rolling it. It just goes way faster. Because I don't know, it has this little layer. I don't know if you can see that. It has this little layer. So that's probably good. The next one is the Golden Arrow. The Golden Arrow. It's probably just like the Piled River. Yeah, it is. It's really just like the Piled River. So, and the last one, the Dune Crusher, right here. It's just, these are all Snowstormers. Just saying that. Here, this is the Snowstormers pack. And I think this is really smooth. That's just way smooth. I wish I could show you, but it's smooth and really good. They look cool for collection. I don't know if you should collect these. You can if you want, but it's not a collection pack. So here is all of them once again. So, sure, I don't know if I'm putting them in the wrong. Yeah, who cares? This is all of them. Some of them are upside down because I wanted. Sorry about this. I'm trying to put it back in. There we go, and that's all of them. So, I don't care what order they're in. They can just go any order they want. If you're a collector, do not open these packs. Just saying. Do not open the packs. Oh, that's a big tough one. Because these packs can put back in. display, but I wouldn't do that if I was you. That's just me. So let's open this too. There it is. That's that. With all the cars in it, and there we go. That is the storm. That is the snowstormers pack. Bye.